Hello and welcome, and let's build a clock. So we're going to start with the HTML, then move over to the CSS, and then come back to do the JavaScript. The image that I'm using will be available, link will be in the description to my GitHub. So, .clock, .r, .hr, ID, HR. So copy that, paste, change that to min, change that to Mother November, change that to Mother November, change that to, SEC, which I don't know why whenever I see that I just always think Securities and Exchange Commission. Yes, I do have a very odd brain. So, and save that. Obviously, nothing to report on that side. So let us go back to the CSS. The obligatories are in there. So body, display is flex, justify content is center, align items is center, min height, background, hashtag 002231. If I misenter or mistype the hashtag, that's because I'm using a Mac and I constantly forget how to which buttons I need to press to actually get the damn hashtag in the first place. So .clock. So we are now working on this div. Width 350 pixels, height 350 pixels. Display is flex. Justify content is center. Align items is center. Background URL is clock.png. Background size, cover, border radius 25%, because I've designed it in such a way it kind of looks a bit like a Apple Watch face. There we go, because I like the square style compared to the round style. Box shadow 0, -10 pixels, 10 pixels. RGBA 21, 39, 21, 39, 70, 0.184. Inset. Make sure that all lines up. Inset 0, -10 pixels, 10 pixels. RGBA, 0, 200, 255, 0.05, 0, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. RGBA 0, strith 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Inset 10 pixels, 0, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Finish off with a semicolon. And there we go, we have the makings of a clock. Dot clock before content position is absolute, like I wish our monarchy was. Timely. 15 pixels, 15 pixels height, 15 pixels. Background is white. Border radius 25%. Z index. Oopsie. And then move on to dot clock dot hour dot clock dot min dot clock dot, so we are referring to that one, and that one. Position is absolute. So save that. Dot clock dot hour dot HR, so that ID now. Width 160 pixels. Height 160 pixels. If I just go dot clock dot min dot mn, width 190 pixels, height 190 pixels, dot clock dot sec dot sc, width 230 pixels, height 230 pixels, dot hr dot mn dot sc. Display is flex. Justify content. Center. Position is absolute. Border radius is 50%. 50%. And now you will be able to see the, well, so it's hands, dot .hr, I can think of a better way to say it before. Content. Position is absolute. Width 8 pixels. Height 80 pixels. background is hashtag a deep red, so FF1234. Z index is 10. Border radius. 7 pixels, 7 pixels, 0, 0, 0. Save that. .mn b4. Content. Position is absolute. Width is 4 pixels. Height is 90 pixels. Background is white. Z index 11. Border radius 7 pixels, 7 pixels, 0, 0. And as you might have gathered, the last one, .sc b4. Content. Position is absolute. Width is 2 pixels. Height is 150 pixels. That background is white. Z index is 12. And the border radius 7 pixels, 7 pixels, 0, 0. So just to talk for a second on the border radius, obviously you can see they're going up sequentially, the idea being obviously the second hand is constantly moving, so it will be on top, and then second and second. Sorry, that's a terrible description, but you know what I mean. That will be on top, middle, bottom, because of the timely manner in which they move is what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean. And the reason that that is quite a ridiculously high number, I know I didn't have to put it that high, but why not, is because that's the block, that's kind of a fixed point that's showing above the wall. So if I just save that, and I know you might be asking, well, man with stupid internet voice, why does nothing happen? So let's go back over here and go to script, type text JavaScript, JavaScript. So first of all, const degree equals 6 semicolon, const HR for our equals document dot query selector hashtag HR quotation marks, that's what they're called. Sorry, I had a complete blank as to what they were called. So paste that down to options, change that to Mother November, change that to Mother November, and it's hashtag because that relates to the ID. Change that to SC, change that to SC. Set interval, set interval, open brackets, open brackets, and then go to open different type of brackets, I can't remember what they're called. Let day equals new date, let HH equals day dot get hours times 30 let mn mm equals day dot get minutes open brackets times degree let ss no, I'm not suddenly being far right. That's a joke that might not translate. Anyway, get seconds times degree. HR dot style dot transform equals, now where, there we go, rotate Z open brackets top dollar, that's a wrestling reference if you get it, HH plus open brackets mm divided by 12 degree close brackets, finish with that, mn dot style dot transform equals, and what I'm going to do, better to write it out, rotate Z open brackets dollar open brackets mm degree SC dot style dot transform equals rotate Z open brackets dollar open brackets SS and boom. So if that's done everything correctly, right, so that isn't working. What? Oh, that's just shows of how little mistakes can brick an entire system. So if I do that, then jobs are good, everything is working as it should. And if I just go show the time up here, 5 minutes to 2, 5 minutes to 2. So that's been how to build a clock. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please feel free to, what did I say on YouTube? Like, share and subscribe. There we go. Have a good day.